The electrical shock incident in the shower was traced back to a washing machine. The investigation started with a checklist of potential causes. Firstly, the presence of a water ground was checked, which was absent. Secondly, a screwdriver was used to test the voltage between a spigot and the ground near the service, yielding 0 volts. Next, the fuse box and disconnects were inspected. All appeared to be in order, with black wires connected to black, red to red, and white to white, and all fuses intact. The water heater was examined and found to be new, with connections properly made black to black, red to red, and white to ground. An attempt was made to recreate the conditions under which the homeowner experienced the shock. Various lights and appliances, such as a coffee maker, were turned on, simulating the typical morning load. However, this effort was unsuccessful in replicating the incident. The home's meter was then examined. It seemed fine, with a top meter in use and the second meter slot capped off. Tests performed and the meter yielded satisfactory results. The focus then shifted to the bathtub. Water was run into the tub for 10 minutes, and a foot was placed in the water to demonstrate the apparent safety. After an additional 5 minutes with the foot in the tub, an electrical surge occurred, resulting in a shock. This breakthrough happened 15 minutes into the experiment. The problem was identified as a loose wire on the washing machine pump. The washing machine pump was located behind the top meter. This wire had detached from the pump and was submerged in water. Although the power to the washing machine was off, the wiring remained energized with 120 volts. When the washing machine was filled with water, the water conducted electricity from the wire to the ground wire in the water lines. This created a path through the grounding system to the bathtub. When the investigator placed their foot in the tub, they provided a conductive path for the electricity to flow through their body to the ground, resulting in the shock.